Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna tell you how to be the Boombox guy in Desert Map. So let's go.
Repaired Titan.
Yeah, and you could get the Damage Titan Boombox and the repaired. So you could either use the Cosmic Tesla Ultra Titan Telescope or the Improved Titan Improved Titan Telescope. The Improved Titan Telescope is very good though.
Or if you have the Ultra Titan Saw Blade or Upgrade Titan.
Yeah, those are also really good characters to use. And
I'll be using the Ultra Titan Saw Blade.
Yeah, it's very easy to kill him like this. Let's do this.
We will do a demonstration.
I got flung out of the map.
What I can do.
No! Oh.
Hey guys, just so you know, this guy cannot jump. The guy I'm using, he cannot jump, so I really don't recommend endless hard mode or endless mode because you will die. He does have a lot of HP, but
Easy. And just like that,
if you guys can't find anyone to help you or you guys can't do it alone,
just friend us. So our names are Resonic and KingZack2013. So you guys can just friend us and we'll help you. So make sure to subscribe and like, and we'll see you all in the next video. And goodbye, Titan Boombox Man. And that's how you get it. It's very easy. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.